everyone, welcome to another Fan Friday video. Thanks for all of your likes and comments in my previous video, and this is based on a request from that video. Check out 600 plus drawing tutorials on my Fun2draw channel. If you want more advanced drawing tutorials, you can see this playlist. For easier anime and manga tutorials, you can see this. And for my cute and easy Fun2draw tutorials and doodles, you can see this playlist. I hope my different art can help you expand your creativity and drawing skills in different ways. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a Chibi Star from Star versus the Forces of Evil as a Fun2draw tutorial. So here we go. First, I'm going to start with the bean-shaped face, like in my other Fun2draw characters. So let's begin with just a slight curve like that. Then after, I want to draw a smaller, tighter curve at the bottom of this line. So this is for the cheek, right here. There we go. Then afterwards, I want to draw out this line, go all the way around, and then come out to this side of the face. Okay, so I'm just curving up a bit. And then for the ear, I'll draw it like a backwards letter C. And to show that there is a little bit of detail in the ear, I'll just draw a curve like that, and followed by another smaller curve right there. Okay, so once we have the big wide face area done, I want to go into some of the details, like the nose is going to be quite low on the bottom of the face. So for example, let's take a look at the bottom line here and then just go up a little bit and we can plunk the nose right there. And because of the simplicity of this tutorial and the fact that I want more of you to follow along and practice your drawings, I'm going to simplify some of the details in this character. So hopefully that's going to make it easier for you to draw along with me. Okay, so we have the nose, and now for the mouth, I'll keep it really cute and small like that. And now for those big Fun2draw eyes, so let's take a curve right around here, put it on the cheek. Okay, so we have the baseline for the Fun2draw eye, and now we go up. Just imagine going up, maybe right around here. So that is going to be the height of the eye. So I dotted the spot so you can see right there. And from this dot, let's go all the way down as a curve. And then followed by another curve going the other way. Okay, one more curve should do it. And this is for the side of the eye. Okay, once we have that, let's draw a big pupil. So for this tutorial, I think I'll make her look up like that. I think that's a cute expression. So I have a big curve, followed by a smaller curve for the highlight. There we go. And the shading is just a line to start. So it goes up at an angle underneath the highlight. And then I want to shade in everything that is between that line and the highlight. So once that's all nice and dark, really brings out this highlight area, makes it look really shiny. Then let's draw another line like that. And then maybe two more lines, and they'll get shorter and shorter as I go down. So there's a second one. Final one will be a little bit smaller. There we go. Okay, so we have one Fun2draw eye. Let's give her a nice big eyelash. Oh, so pretty. Okay, good. Now we have one. Let's go into the other side. So again, let's draw a cheek line. That's a curve. And then let's go up, dot the spot to plan out the height of the eye. Once we have that, let's follow this dot, curve down. Then we curve around for the other side, and then one more. Okay, shade it in. And then for the pupil, again, we just follow the same. Just a curve like that, and then a smaller curve for the highlight. And don't feel bad if your drawing may not look exactly like mine at the beginning. Just keep practicing and keep watching my drawing tutorials. The more you draw, really, the better you will get. So just keep it up and have fun. Okay, we got the 3 lines. Now let's draw another curved lash. Okay, so we have her eyes, and let's not forget her cute little cheeks. Adorable. Okay, now for the hair, I want to dot the spot maybe right around here, so it's pretty high up in the forehead, and I want to go from this dot, go down as a curve. It looks like I'm going down towards the eye, but then I want to go out. Let's make it a little bit higher. There we go. So let's go down towards the eye and then curve out like that. Okay, make it a little point right there in the end. And then I'll draw out a little bit again for another point. And go back again. Then from this, I want to go around as a curve for the top part of the head. So like that. And then on this side, I want to go from this dot, curve down the other way, and go out towards the back part of the head. Like that, and then one more, there we go, to make that point. Okay, now for the side part of the hair, I just want one little curve coming down towards the ear. And then, so now that we have basically like the whole head kind of, or the face rather, kind of sectioned off, now let's focus on the top part and then the hair in the back. So here we have this line, and I want to draw a big curve from this line, curve around, and go all the way down towards the back part of the ear for her headband. Okay, so like that. Now before I draw the other part of the band, I want to draw those little cute horns. They're so adorable. So let's draw a short line curving up slightly, and then another curved line going down. Make the base of the horn round for a 3D look. And then the other side kind of pokes out from here maybe, and let's go down like that. There we go. They're little stubby things. Okay, now let's draw a big curve for the other side of the headband. Keep going. Curve all the way down and all the way down towards the back of the ear. Alright, once we have this now, we can go into the back part of the hair as a big curve, and then she's got this nice long hairstyle. So we're just going to continue going down, but we won't finish the entire hairstyle yet because now I want to go into the body afterwards. But let's draw the top part first as a big curve. Keep curving. Keep curving. Okay, so I'm going to stop right around there. Okay, excellent. So we have her cute head, and let's give her some expressive eyebrows. There we go. And now for the body, I want to simplify a few of these details. And because this is a Fun2draw character, the body will be quite small compared to the head. So I drew a neckline. She has this little collar. So I drew 2 bumps under. Now for the arm, I'll draw this arm kind of just by her side. So that's the sleeve part with this cut off part here. And she'll have the little design on the sleeve. Once we have that, let's go into the arm, that comes out from the sleeve. So it's very narrow, kind of looks like a rectangle if I were to just draw the end there. Okay, and then the hand, I'll simplify the features and the details. So here's a little thumb. I'm keeping it small for a cute look. And then a really easy way to draw a hand is to draw like a mitt shape first, so it looks like she's wearing mittens, and then just divide this area into the fingers. And that's how you can draw a really simple cartoon hand. Okay, so I hope that helps. Once we have the hand, let's go into the body. So she has a cute dress. That's her body. I'll draw the waist area, so it kind of cinches in near the middle and then it fans out. Okay, so once we have that, let's go into the skirt part of the dress. Goes out. And then from here goes out more on the other side. And then let's join the two by drawing a big curve for the edge of the dress. Okay, like that. Then the bottom, we'll just draw these little series of curves to make the edge of the dress look fancy. There. Okay, now she has a little design. I'll just make it really simplified on the front there. And then as for the feet, let's imagine that this is the waist and then her legs are underneath the dress and then they'll come out right around here. So I'll also make the legs not too long. So here's one leg and then she's got these fantastic boots. They're so cool. So I'm drawing the part of the foot here, and then this is the little horn area for one boot. Make this part a little bit longer for the heel, and then just draw the foot part like that. Okay, so we have a basic shape for the leg finished. Let's go into the other side. So come down, and then I want to go out towards the toe. Before I hit the toe, let's draw the little horn. Now the toe part is rounded. And then draw the sole of that foot. Okay, good. So once we have that, let's add some little details in the legs. I'm drawing a curve and another curve for where the boots end on her legs. And then she's got these tights with rings on them, so I'll just keep it simplified and just draw like the one for each leg. And then for the bottom part of the boots, I think these are really cool. So draw like another line that follows the bottom part of the boot, and then let's make the teeth. Draw zigzag. Okay, so that's looking pretty cool. And now for the eye on the side, just a little small oval with a smaller dark oval in the middle. Okay, let's do the same thing on this side. So a small oval and then another dark oval in the middle, right there. Okay, excellent. So we're almost done drawing Chibi Star. We're missing an arm though, so let's get that in. Okay, so that's her sleeve. And then a little detail in there. Leave a gap a little bit for the arm, and then I'm going to draw the hand right here. And she'll be holding her wand. So this thumb is curled. I'll simplify the wand details to make it easier for you to follow. So we have a circle first. It's kind of big. And then draw the little star design inside like that. followed by part of the bottom of the wand, but before I draw the whole thing, I want to draw her fingers wrapping around the other side there. Okay, so it's like that. Then it's got this little crown on top and the wings. They're so cool. If you want to see how to draw other different like characters or animals or anything, leave your request in the comments below and I'll try my best to do the ones I can. And I hope that my tutorials and my other videos for Fan Friday really encourages you and inspires you to continue your drawing, you guys. And I'm also glad that lots of you say that you love to watch my videos all the time and learn from me, so that really encourages me to keep making videos for you. Okay, so we have the wand. I'm just trying to figure out the length of the arm now. Okay, so we have the arm coming into the sleeve here. Part of the hand should be curved, and then it goes into the sleeve like that. Okay, so once we have everything done, let's go back into the hair. So we have this nice long flowing line. Let's continue that and go all the way down towards the legs. And again here, line from the other side all the way down past the skirt and down and then in behind. Okay, let me know how you feel about this tutorial and get your comments and requests in. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you won't miss my future videos. There you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to follow my new videos, and I'll see you next time.